First of all, take a look at these videos. These types of mechanical transformation videos are going insanely viral right now. Whether you scroll through YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you will see these videos everywhere. I'm going to show you exactly how we can create these amazing transformation videos step by step. The main secret behind these videos is the prompts. And don't worry, I'll provide all of those prompts in the description below. And guys, today, we are also going to use an amazing all-in-one AI tool that gives free credits as well. So make sure you do not skip this video. So first of all, check out this TikTok channel called Unreal Machines. This channel creates exactly these types of transformation videos and gains millions of views consistently. Simply take normal gadgets and transform them into insane mechanical creations. Some of their videos have crossed 20 million, 30 million, and even more views. Today, we are going to create the same style of viral content. They have gained a huge number of followers, and their views are already in the millions. So guys, first of all, I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, you'll get everything. Next, I'm going to show you how to use these prompts properly. For that, simply open Claude AI. Today, we are going to use Claude AI instead of ChatGPT because many people are saying that it generates some of the best prompts. First of all, log into your account. Then go to the prompts section. After that, copy the prompts. The link will be available in the description. Simply copy everything, paste it, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, it will first ask which edition you want to create. You can select any edition you want. For example, if you want to create the 5th edition, simply type 5 and continue. Next, it asks which gadgets you want to create. You can create one gadget or even generate 10 different gadgets at once. For this example, I selected 1, 3, 4, and 8. As soon as I clicked Continue, it started analyzing everything. Then it asked whether I wanted a superbike style or a dragon style transformation. I selected the All option. After that, it asked which country color theme I wanted. I selected the USA theme from the available country options. Then it generated a viral title and moved to the next step. After that, it asked which AI generator model I wanted to use for prompts and forcing items. I selected the first model. The moment I clicked it, all the prompts were instantly generated for me, including Frame 1 prompts, Frame 2 prompts, and complete video prompts. Now comes the generation part. Today, we are going to use one of the best all-in-one AI tools called lipsync.video. Yes, lipsync.video is an all-in-one AI platform. Simply open the website, and as soon as you open it, you'll receive 13 free credits instantly. But if you want even more credits, simply click on Sign Up, log in using your Gmail account, and you will receive 50 additional free credits. Using those credits, you can create images and videos completely free. Now, first of all, simply click on the image option here. As soon as you click on it, you'll see the AI character generator option. Simply open AI character generator. After opening it, guys, the first thing you need to do is select the model. I recommend selecting Nano Banana because this model gives very consistent generations. Simply select the ratio as 9:16, then click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start generating instantly. It only takes around 5 to 6 seconds to generate the image, which is incredibly fast. Now, as you can see, the first image is ready. It generated a character holding the gadget perfectly. Next, I simply go back to Claude AI and copy the second frame prompt. After copying it, I paste it here and click Generate again. In the same way, the next image prompt is also generated successfully. Then, for the third scene, I again go back to Claude AI, copy the next item prompt, paste it, and click Generate. And just like that, the next image is also ready. So basically, you need to copy the Frame 1 image prompt first, then the Frame 2 prompt, and continue generating them one by one. All of our images are now getting generated one by one. Once all the images are ready, simply download them, because now we are moving toward the next step, which is AI video generation. Here, you'll find the AI video option. Simply click on AI video. After opening it, you'll see models like Dance 2.0 and Happy Horse 1.0. You can select any model you want, but for consistency, I'm selecting Dance 2.0. Now, after selecting the model, you'll see options for first frame and second frame images. Below that, you'll find the reference to video option. Simply select frame to frame mode, then upload your first image into the first frame section, and upload the transformed image into the second frame section. After that, set the ratio to 9:16. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, and you can even generate full HD 1080p resolution videos. Simply click on Generate. As you can see, the first video generation has now started. Within a short time, it will be fully ready. And then we'll preview the result together. So guys, our first generated video is now ready. Take a look at this preview. The AI generated an amazing 8-second transformation video. You can see how the character clicks a button on the gadget, and the gadget smoothly transforms into a car. It looks absolutely amazing. Now simply download the video. Next, the process is exactly the same. Usually, it only takes around 1 to 1.5 minutes to generate the video. And guys, now the next video is ready. Preview it carefully. You can see the character clicking the gadget button again, and this time, the gadget transforms into a massive mechanical machine. The AI generated it beautifully. Now let's download this one as well. Next, I started generating 2 to 3 videos together at the same time. After a short time, they were all fully ready for preview. And honestly, this is one of the easiest methods to create viral transformation videos. I also want to tell you something important. This niche is extremely viral and is about to explode in trending very soon. Right now is the perfect time to start before everyone else jumps into it. If you start early, your chances of growing fast and gaining millions of views become much higher. You can upload these videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Both platforms have huge earning potential, although YouTube usually pays slightly higher. Now, one very important step still remains. After generating all the images and videos, our final step is creating the talking avatars. I can see the lip sync option here. As soon as I click on lip sync, I can choose any character from the available characters below. After selecting a character, I get 3 options: input text, upload audio, and record audio. You can use whichever option you prefer. Then I simply paste my script prompt. After pasting the prompt, I get additional settings like speed controls and other customization options. From here, you can also select any voiceover you want. I selected a professional male voice for this example. After adjusting the sound settings, I simply clicked on Generate. As you can see, the first generation started immediately, and within 1 to 2 minutes, the video was fully generated. Now let's preview the result.
Lip syncs. Video is a very powerful all-in-one AI tool. The best part is that it not only offers amazing lip sync features, but also includes...
The generated video looks absolutely amazing. It created a 21-second video, and honestly, the lip sync quality looks extremely realistic. The emotions, facial expressions, and even the hand feelings were generated very naturally. Everything looks super realistic and professional. After that, there's another feature called Talking Photo. Let's try that as well. Simply click on it and make sure to select the latest model version. In Lip Sync, use the latest model, and here also select Talking Photo 4.0, which is the newest version. Now, if you want to animate any character image with a voiceover, simply upload any character image. I selected a random image and pasted the same script. The process is almost identical. Previously, we used video to lip sync, and now we are using image to lip sync. You can also customize motions, expressions, and voice settings from here. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the next animated character video starts rendering automatically. And guys,
Lip syncs. Video is a very powerful all-in-one AI tool. The best part is that it not only offers amazing
the final
lip
generated result looks incredibly powerful. Analyze the character carefully because the AI generated very realistic emotions and amazing quality. You also get another trending feature called Baby Podcast. This feature is becoming extremely viral these days. Simply choose any baby character or upload your own image. Select a baby-style voice, adjust the settings, paste the script, and click Generate. Process is exactly the same as before. You also get many more features including talking cartoons and several other AI tools. You can choose anything you want. Another amazing feature is Singing Photo. If you want any character to sing a song, simply upload the character image and upload your song audio. The AI will automatically generate a singing animation. And finally, let's talk about price. The pricing is actually very reasonable. You'll see multiple plans, including Starter, Pro, Max, and Ultra. Each plan has its own benefits and features. Plus, there are already many discounts and special offers currently running on the platform. Everything is available inside one platform, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.